Hey guys, welcome to another video. Here are 5 tech ideas under $5. And without any further delays, let's get right into it. Starting off our list, we have a phone stand for only $4.99. Its full aluminum body, silver color not only looks good, it's also quite functional. You can use this to charge your phone while it's sitting at a pleasant view angle. It is metal and should be able to hold devices up to 16 ounce as advertised. You can get this in other colors, but they are a bit more expensive, but honestly silver looks great in most setups. And if you want to save a little more, you can get this in hot pink as well. Next up, we have car mount for under $3. According to the advertisement, it should be able to hold phones of all sizes and it should be able to rotate 360 degrees. Other than that, nothing special, it's just a regular car mount that goes on your windshield using a suction cup. It also has a soft pad inside the grip which should be able to protect your phone from scuffs and scratches. And for under $3, you can get it with free shipping. Next up, we have portable tripod, another item under $3 with shipping. Ideally, they are made for smartphones and it's a very cheap and inexpensive way to get some steady videos and even pictures. I'm pretty sure you have seen something like this in the past somewhere. They are flexible and rotatable, so you should be able to move them around to get the perfect shot. Next up, we have Aux Cable. Not a lot to say about this. This is 2 meters long, it's gold plated, and it's a coiled wire which looks much cleaner no matter where you want to use it, inside your car, house, or on the go. It also comes with 1-year warranty from Amazon, and I would any day pick coiled wires over the regular ones. They look better and they're more functional. Next up, we have a lavalier microphone for a little over $5, but if you really want to improve your audio on budget, this is worth considering. This will definitely give you better audio than the built-in microphones you'll ever use. It is 150 centimeters long, and if you do end up using a lavalier microphone like this, just plug it into your smartphone and you'll be able to record all your audio right into your smartphone. And here's another bonus item that I thought was worth including. This is an FM transmitter for under $5, and if you don't know what FM transmitters are, these are basically devices that are able to transmit the music, songs playing on your phone right to your car's radio system. They work pretty simple. You just find an empty radio station on your car and just tune into that and use the same radio station on the FM transmitter. Plug in the FM transmitter onto your phone using the headphone jack and give the FM transmitter power using the cigarette lighter, and you're all set to go. A cheap alternative if you don't have built-in aux system. And yeah guys, that would do it for this video. Let me know what product you like in a comment below. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.